Hey guys, welcome to Lacave-Insight. I'm Marcus, music producer, lighting director and official MA trainer. This is MA Quick Tips. What is the breaking command inside a cue list? Let's jump right in and check it out. Let me create a cue list with 5 cues first. Fixture 1 at 100, store please. Fixture 2 at 100, store please, create second cue, next fixture, and next fixture. So that means we have now 5 cues. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I would now like that starting from Q4, I make a break. That means I can't change these cues anymore if I do some changes from Q1, Q2 or to Q3. So let's scroll now to here the break column and set a break. I make a right click here and say all for now. That means I have created a tracking break over here. So let's, for example, let's edit Q1. I'm going to Q1, say fixture 1, and I add now a strobe command. Something like this. And maybe we add fixture 5. So let's say fixture 5 at fixture 1. And now store this to Q1. Store Q1. Merge. So now we are in Q1, Q2, Q3, and let's jump now to Q4 with the tracking break. And you can see all the values I have now stored from Q1 until Q3 are released again. So that means everything I'm going to save or to merge or to remove or whatever to change from Q1 up to Q3 is released or re-changed in Q4, that the Q4 always looked like I have set it the break command. Let's have a look at the tracking sheet. And here you can see that in Q4 the shatter values are released and the dimmer of fixture 5 is also released because the original Q4 has not the fixture 5 on the dimmer, and fixture 1 and 5 were not at strobe here in the Q4. So break means everything I'm doing before Q4. So in Q1, 2 or 3, I'm going to change it, I'm going to remove things, whatever. All this is going to be restored in Q4 or released if we hadn't used this attribute yet. So this is a cool version from merging like a queue only, but I want to make sure that the Q4 could never be touched again if I'm going to change the queues before. So it's like a protection of Q4, that you don't immediately change the Q4 by accidentally doing some bad things in the tracking. If you found this little video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.